Back and thank you for staying with KTN News Desk. Now, Nairobi businesswoman Joyce Akinyi and two other suspects will remain in police custody for 3 more days. A Nairobi court has ruled. Akinyi was arrested alongside a Congolese national last Saturday morning by police who had been trailing her. She's facing charges of narcotics trafficking after she was found with 2 kilograms of heroin in her room at Nairobi West. The case is up for mention on 22nd of this month. We now want to cross over to the JKIA law courts here in Nairobi, where our Caroline B is following up on this story. B, I hope you're well. Now, the prosecution had actually asked for 5 days, but they've been given 3 days instead. Why is this?
Well, thank you very much, Ashley, and of course I'm well. Looking at how the case actually proceeded on Monday, when there was a mention, the state prosecution requested for 5 days. First of all, they wanted to carry out probing or further investigations into this matter, and also do weighing and sampling of the white powdery substance that was recovered during the arrest of the 3 suspects. And the 3 suspects, the first one, of course, has to be Joyce Akinyi Ochieng. That's the first respondent. Then the second respondent is a Congolese national who is Musanki Sheikh Kalala Pauline, and Perez Omondi Onyango. That's the third respondent. And another event that actually took place is that Musanki Sheikh Kalala happened to have got knee injuries, and when he got into the court and also when he was walked out of the court, he was limping. And therefore, he needed medical treatment. So that is one of the things that his counsel requested for him to continue with medical treatment. And the judge actually said that he would be subjected to a medical exam, and the report tabled today, which happened. The state prosecution actually came with that report, and it showed that he had a knee injury. But given that they have been granted 3 days to continue with this investigation, and also there are other accomplices who could be part of this case, the state prosecution had requested for that 5 days. But now the court has given them 3 days to do all that investigation and then come up with charges. And the anticipated charges actually includes the trafficking of narcotics. And therefore, the three accused, or the 3 respondents, are being currently held at the JKIA police station. They will be arraigned on the 22nd, that is on Monday. But for the 3 days is to allow the state prosecution to carry out investigation, and also to give medical treatment to Musanki Sheikh Kalala, who's a Congolese national, so that in case they get to know what exactly happened. But the judge also, or actually the senior resident magistrate, that is Christine Jagi, said that they cannot go any further concerning that injury, since it has not yet been reported at any police station. So what she said is that they should lodge a complaint at the police station before before the court can take any action. So we will be expecting the 3 of them to the 3 of them to be arraigned here in court on Monday, awaiting further charges, and we will get to see what charges has actually been spelt on them. Ashley.
Right. Thank you very much, Caroline B, for that update. Caroline B updating us on that case of Nairobi businesswoman Joyce Akinyi and 2 other suspects who will remain in police custody for